Hello everyone. Let's learn how to deploy Streamlit application into Streamlit server. In last session, we built this sample Streamlit application, and we were able to build it and run it in our local. So let me show how it was. Yeah. So this application was nothing but a simple app.py application, and this code is just 28 line of codes. We have it, and we had a requirement .txt where we need a streamlit, pandas, numpy, and we created environment. So how did we create an environment? Let me stop this, and we created environment python minus m env my env, and after creating environment we activated that environment and get into that environment. After getting into that environment, what we did pip install minus r requirement.txt, so that all required packages will get installed into that uh, uh, virtual environment. And then we did stream lit run app.py. So after executing this, what we got a one localhost application running into our local. So and this application, we tested it out, it's running, and we are able to see this respective line chart and all that. But how to deploy this? This is running in local, right? We would like to deploy in a server. So how to deploy that? So we will run how to deploy in uh, our uh, Streamlit server. So to deploy in a Streamlit server, first of all, we need to go to Streamlit server. So let's find it out, Streamlit, and here we'll get Streamlit uh, cloud, right? And we need to sign it out. If we click cloud, community cloud, we'll get here, and we have to go and deploy it. So get started. So it's asking to sign in. So we have to go and sign in. If you are having account, that's fine. If you are not having an account, you have to create an account. So what I'm going to do, as I should be having my code in GitHub, or just I can log in through our Google account. Or if I have created any account, email ID and password, so with that I should be able to. But here I have this application in my local, but I haven't pushed into GitHub. So what we can do, we can push this code into GitHub. Let's me log into GitHub, and I would like to log in here. So how to log in? I will log in with my credential. Uh, yeah, right. So this is my one of the account. I will be logging with that, and let me bring that password. And with that, I am able to log in here. Right. So now I will go into my repository to create a one new repo, and I will go and click sample. I will write it sample Streamlit app. With that, I will be able to create a simple repo. And I created simple repo. I have to push my code over here. So how to push that code? Let's go step by step. So I will stop this one from here itself. So we are already in this Streamlit test folder. So what it says that so it says we have to do get init. If you would like to add new file and first commit, and this is the create a main branch, and then add the remote and then push uh, the code to main. So we will do the same stuff, right? So how we will be doing? Let me go ahead and open this. So what I'm going to do, not this one. So I'm going to do get init, initialize the get. Then it says that I have to add, and then I have to commit, and then I have to create a git branch m main over there, right? So I initialize the git repo. I'm going to do get add dot. So whatever file I have created, I am going to add it there. Okay, it's adding. And one more thing, as a best practice, what we can do, we can remove environment specific stuffs, right? So for that, we can create one file that is git ignore dot git ignore. So in this one dot ignore, we can write what are the folder we would like to ignore, right? So so in that one, I can say that okay, my env you have to exclude it. So whatever uh, I have my v and all you exclude. So you don't push it all this stuffs there, right? And here we have, yeah, we have all these things. So with this, what it will do, it will ignore my virtual environment packages. So again, I have to do get status. So we are able to see this much file has been added. Okay. Now I will add git add again because I have added one file get ignore, and then git status all are up to date, right? Now I have to do git commit -m sample streamlit app. Oh, sorry, I have to close this. Okay, yeah. So I have to add git commit -m sample streamlit app. So it will commit all the new file I have added. Okay, so this is again another steps which is asking for organization specific uh, things. So what I gonna do, I have to ignore set git ignore my organization stuff organization way of checking it out. So for that, I need to have this command run it here. So git commit, this is fast. And now I have to add my local git set, right? So git config username, then git config. So what I'm setting it up, I'm setting a local accounts. which I will be using for my public GitHub. So I will give my email ID here. Right. So now we are all set. So again, I will do git commit -m sample Streamlit app, again sample Streamlit app, and this is checking all those changes in my GitHub git local, not GitHub. So all these will get checked in into my local git. So here I'm not using any yeah, so it seems like it is writing all the packages and stuffs. Okay, so it's removing few of the duplicates in those packages. So let it get removed. All right. Okay. Let's check Git status. Right. So we did Git local commit. Now what we can do, we can go to our repo after creating a first commit. It's saying that create a branch, right? So we will create a branch, and after creating a branch, this is local branch. I have to add remote where I have to push this code. So I'm adding git remote add origin, simple streamlit app. Now just I have to do git push origin main. So I will do git push origin main. So with this, my this sample app local code will get pushed up over there. Okay. And yep. So this has been got pushed up here. So if I will go and if I will refresh, I should be able to see. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, I have to log in here. So I have to log in with GitHub because my source code is in GitHub. So I'm going to authorize. It is asking for authorizing. And it is going to send me an email. I will go and check my email. So these are the steps we have to follow a very first time. And after that, it should be pretty much straightforward. I'm showing all these live so that for any beginner, it should be quite easy to uh, go ahead and follow all these steps. So here it's saying that, okay, go ahead and create an app. So what option is giving me? What you'd like to do? Deploy a public app from GitHub, deploy a public app from the temp template, uh, or deploy a private app in Snowflake. So it has all this integration. So we will go with GitHub. So here it is asking paste a GitHub URL, right? And your app. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a GitHub repo, right? So for me, this is my GitHub repo URL, right? So I will paste it here, okay? Or if I will type it here, sample Streamlit app, it will show. and this is main branch, and my main file is what? App.py. You have to ensure that, right? And this would be your optional uh, uh, domain name where this app will get served. So just I'm going to do a deploy. My app will get deploy, and it's going to take some time. Let it be. Going to take few minutes, it seems. Finally, it's getting deployed. And now this is your URL you can share with anyone in the world and they will be able to browse it. So see how simple you are able to deploy it, right? And you are able to share your POC or any sample to the world. So have a look and let me know if you are having any feedback and any comments. I will try to improvise with that. Thank you.